Ciao a tutti, hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of Art and Food in Sicily. So let's see who we have today, our guests. The first one is Salvatore Ingala, painting. He says art allows you to give a voice to your thoughts, to depict emotion, to tell the story. It's a wonderful world where the soul communicates with vibrant colors. At the age of 14, he exhibited in Rome at the Cultural Center, the Camera Verde, along with renowned painters. In my paintings, he says, emerges the Sicilian history and tradition of the old masters Carradori, Sicilian for cart builders. They are dominated by yellow, red, green and blue, the colors that recall the sulfur, citrus, sky and sea, and the lava of Etna. The favorite Sicilian food of Salvatore Ingala is the vastiduzza fritta. In the past, all the families they used to make the bread at home, and with the remaining flour, they made this vastiduzza fritta. So basically, it is flour and fried, and then they they filled this vastiduzza fritta with sugar or oil or pepper and black pepper, and the vastiduzza fritta of Salvatore Ingala. The second one is Antonino Versace, knife making. He says art is the highest and most meaningful form of human expression on earth. Antonino Versace was born in Messina on January 20, 1986. He was born in San Fratello, is a little town close by Messina. He learns from a very young age the ancient family tradition related to the implementation of the Sanfratellano knife, which represents the third generation. Antonino says, the knife can be defined as the smartphone of our grandparents. It represents one of the first tools made by human beings for their own survival that has been handed down and evolved over time as a trusted friend and strong symbol of Sicilian virility and pride. The favorite Sicilian food of Antonino Versace is the parmigiana, is the so renowned parmigiana, fried aubergines, tomato sauce, basil, eggs and mozzarella. The parmigiana, Antonino Versace. Here we have Pietro Shortino, painter. He says art is the concept and expression of beauty, of freedom and of the human soul, which transmits emotions through into creativity. Pietro Shortino was born in Palermo, and in 1981 he graduates from art school. After a few years at the Faculty of Architecture of the University of Palermo, he decides to dedicate himself exclusively to artistic activity and begins to develop a series of projects centered, focusing on his city, Palermo, which will lead him years later to several group exhibitions and some important solo exhibitions. Pietro is one of the most renowned Sicilian painters. Among other works, Pietro has realized these wonderful paintings. They recalled the textures of the ancient Sicilian maiolicas. They are gorgeous. They are also very big, height 100, width 100. They are masterpieces of Sicilian art. One of the most favorite Sicilian food of Pietro is the cassata siciliana, the so renowned cassata siciliana, this very famous cake, basically made with the ricotta and the cassata siciliana of Pietro Shortino. And here we have Maria Presti. Maria is from Riposto. Riposto in the eastern side of Sicily is a place located in just a few kilometers from the beach, and also is in Etna area. So the volcano Etna is not too far from Riposto, and yes, Riposto is a good location to also approach the volcano Etna, the highest volcano in Europe. Maria Presti is a coffee bag maker. She says about art, she says, in my opinion, art should be taught from an early age, accustoming children to the taste of beauty, color, and everything that generates emotions and pleasure. This will create a society that is more careful to the environment and also better human beings. This is true. Her favorite Sicilian dish is the pasta che è masculini e finocchietto selvatico. That is a typical pasta that you can find above all in Catania province, and is pasta with alici and wild fennel. And so if you come to Sicily, don't forget to buy a coffee bag of Maria Presti and to taste this pasta. Maria Presti. Ok, goodbye everyone, ciao a tutti. Thank you for having me for this episode of Art and Food in Sicily. I am inside the sauna, and I believe that the sauna is an artistic place. It's a place that inspires me. And see you next time for the next episode of Art and Food in Bella Sicilia. Ciao a tutti.